The website Cut the Knot showcases 122 proofs of the Pythagorean Theorem. I loved the 47th postulate of Euclid. It serves as a grand finale of Elements Book 1. If you gaze upon the configuration of lines, Pythagoras will emerge, but only if you have absorbed the previous 46 postulates. I am drawn toward what I call the folded paper proof. This proof is endearing in its simplicity and intuitiveness. Begin with a right triangle, C. Divide it into two similar triangles, A and B. Open A, B, and C as if they are attached by hinges to the background. The total area of the triangles attached to the two shorter sides equals the triangle attached to the hypotenuse. Squares drawn on each of the sides will have the same proportions as the triangles. The square A squared is to the triangle big A as B squared is to triangle B and C squared is to triangle C. But since triangles A and B sum to C, then A squared plus B squared equals C squared. The sum of the squares on the two shorter sides equals the square on the hypotenuse. Isn't that pretty? This proof has the bonus of generalization. Attach any similar figures to the two shorter sides. They will equal a similar figure attached to the hypotenuse. Do you have a favorite Pythagoras proof? Share it in the comments.